Good day, YouTubers. Today's video is about replacing screens in this screen door. I'm going to be doing it with a sunblock window screen. The advertisers say it blocks 80% of the heat. I have a neighbor that recommended this that says it blocks a lot. We'll see how it works out for us. First thing we need to do is remove the existing screen. These screens are held in a little track with a rubber, there's a special name for it, but I don't know what it is. But it just pulls out and then the screen will come loose. There's a number of ways to remove this rubber out of the rib. I'm using a pick. It works really well. You could probably do it with a knife or a screwdriver or whatever. So the first thing you want to do is lay your screen out slightly larger than the opening. I'll cut it and then we'll install the rubber ribbing. So the next thing we need to do is go ahead and reinstall the screen. I ended up buying a tool. These come in several different kinds. There are links to the different kinds in the description. The rib that was on this door originally was for a much thinner screen, so it would not fit with this sun blocking screen because it's quite a bit thicker. So I did end up going to the hardware store and getting a smaller rib. When you go to the hardware store, take the rib you have and size it for smaller. I ended up going from 175 to 140. I took the tool, made a track in the screen, and then chased it with the rib. Seems to make it much easier to put the rib in. The original rib was cut here. I'm trying to go around the corner. So I could not get around the corner, so I cut it. I made a little starter track and then just used the tool to push the rib in. So with the rib in all the way around, screen's nice and tight. I have a fresh blade in my box cutter. What you want to do is cut it just above the rib. And then we'll put in the rest of the screen and cut it. Well, the screens are all back installed. You can see the difference between the old screen and the new screen. This screen material is available from Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and Amazon. There are links in the description to this on Amazon. As usual, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.